Is your Android phone starting to feel cluttered, noisy, and inefficient? Most stock setups waste screen space and bombard you with useless notifications all day long. Today, we are unlocking the hidden potential of your smartphone with 5 game-changing Android apps you need to install right now. These aren't your typical social media apps. We are talking about tools that completely overhaul your home screen, fix terrible notification spam, turn cheap headphones into studio monitors, protect your privacy automatically, and script custom automated triggers. By the end of this video, your phone will run faster, look cleaner, and work entirely for you. First up is Niagara Launcher, an app that completely redefines how you interact with your phone. Stock launchers push grid icons that invite mindless scrolling. Niagara replaces all of that with a lightning-fast ergonomic single-column list designed for one-handed use. To set it up, download Niagara from the Play Store, set it as your default home app, and select your top 8 core apps. Swipe vertically down the alphabet ribbon on the right edge to jump instantly to any app in your device drawer. Notifications appear directly beside app icons, allowing you to reply without opening full apps. It transforms chaotic screen clutter into pure speed. Next is Buzzkill, the ultimate solution for notification overload. Standard Android settings only allow you to mute entire apps, but Buzzkill lets you create hyper-specific custom rules. Open Buzzkill, tap the plus button, and set a rule: when I receive a notification containing the word urgent from Slack, play a loud chime even in silent mode. Or automatically dismiss spam alerts containing words like sale or discount. You can also stack notifications so 5 messages from one group chat trigger just a single vibration instead of buzzing 5 times in 5 seconds. It brings complete peace to your lock screen while ensuring critical alerts always reach you. If you listen to music on your phone using Bluetooth earbuds or wired headphones, Wavelet is an absolute must-have. Most consumer headphones have imperfect sound profiles with bloated bass or harsh treble. Wavelet fixes this using Auto EQ, a system with over 3,400 precise equalizer profiles tailored to specific headphone models. Open Wavelet while playing Spotify or YouTube, toggle Auto EQ on, and search for your specific model like Sony WH-1000X-M5 or Galaxy Buds Pro. Instantly, the frequency response flattens out to Harman curve perfection, uncovering clear vocals and punchy instruments. You can also tune graphic equalizers and bass boost independently. Privacy is crucial, but giving permanent permissions to camera, location, or microphone to apps you rarely use is a massive security risk. Enter Bouncer. Bouncer grants temporary permissions to any app. When an app asks for location or camera access, Bouncer pops up asking if you want to grant it just this once. The moment you leave the app or lock your screen, Bouncer automatically revokes that permission in the background. Open Bouncer's dashboard to view a complete history log of when permissions were granted and revoked. It keeps your location private and battery active without breaking app functionality. Finally, MacroDroid brings high-level device automation to everyday users without needing complex code like Tasker. You create macros built on 3 simple blocks: triggers, actions, and constraints. For example, set a trigger: when connected to home Wi-Fi; an action: turn off mobile data and set ringer volume to 80%, and a constraint: only between 8 a.m. and 10 p.m. You can create auto-reply macros when driving, battery-saving rules when power drops below 15%, or secret shake gestures to toggle the flashlight. Open MacroDroid, browse the huge community templates store, and tap Add with one click. It makes your phone truly smart. Before you start running these powerful utilities, here are 2 quick optimization tips to keep your battery running all day long. First, prevent battery optimization restrictions from killing background apps like Buzzkill or Bouncer. Go to Settings, select Apps, find Bouncer, tap Battery, and set it to unrestricted so Android does not put it to sleep. Second, inside Niagara Launcher, enable a Mold Dark mode. Because OLED screens turn off pixels completely for true black, using a pitch black wallpaper with Niagara can save up to 15% battery consumption daily. These 2 tweaks keep your automation smooth without draining juice. Upgrading your smartphone experience doesn't require buying a $1,000 flagship every year. With Niagara Launcher, Buzzkill, Wavelet, Bouncer, and MacroDroid, your current device will feel faster, respect your privacy, and work smarter. Direct download links to all 5 apps are organized in the video description below. If you found this quick breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment letting me know which app you're installing first. Check out our playlist on screen for more deep dive Android customization guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.